Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Just wanted to take a look at this skin that I installed on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. I was looking at getting a Dbrand skin, and I was like, let me check eBay and see what I can find on there, because the Dbrand skin is like $29, $30, plus, you know, by the time you pay for shipping, you're out. It's almost like $45 to get a skin from Dbrand. So I went on eBay and I found this. This is a matte red skin. The seller does have a few different colors. I will list them, or I will link them down in the description. They have matte black, carbon fiber black, a couple different versions of carbon fiber, a black shadow, black matrix, brushed aluminum, metallic blue, red, green, and then some different designs. So I will link them down in the description. Highly recommend this seller. I got this in about a week, free shipping, and this skin was only $12. So about half the cost of Dbrand, and this is 3M. 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 is what this is made on. So it is still a high quality material. It does feel a little bit thinner than a Dbrand, but one thing I noticed about this one when I installed it is it did not have any sharp edges. The edges rounded around the phone very nicely. There's no like pieces sticking up or anything like that that feel like they're going to grab onto something and rip the skin off, which is something I've had happen with a lot of the Dbrands I've had. The edges are very rough and stuff like that, and it feels like the skin's just going to start peeling up. This is very, very smooth and goes right up to the edge of the phone. It went on very, very easily. I used the same method that I did with the Dbrand, where you take it and you put, you know, like the top quarter up here, top, you know, half around the camera area, you put it down and then you peel it up. And I just went straight down. You can turn it and flip it and do the bottom half, but I just went straight down and it went on perfectly fine. As you can see here, there is really no back of the phone showing. We do have an ever so slight corner right there because I did have to kind of peel it up and scoot it over. But other than that, everything is lining up perfectly. It is cut very nicely. You can see the cameras there. There is a little bit of phone showing right on the top of the cameras right here. I probably could have aligned those a little bit better, but that is on me. The skin fits very, very nicely, and like I said, for 12 bucks, you can't beat that with shipping included. So I'll link this down below where you can pick these up on eBay from this seller. It is Shop Ava Avantel. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they do like vinyl skins and decals and stuff like that. So there is that. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.